subscribe button yet. I still have hope. But here, everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I didn't make another one again. But unfortunately, we're in my room. Unfortunately, we're in my room playing hide and seek, kind of like Minecraft. Not exactly. And also, if my channel is gone, then I'll just have to start over. But guys, this is why I haven't recorded for a very long time. My phone broke. Yes, I just told you. It broke. It just broke. It broke. So now, my mom got a new one, so now I can use her old one. And now we're gonna play hide and seek. Go to the question. What should it be? I actually know I'm going for. Then Daniela. Actually, did I say Daniela? There's actually someone in my old house, which I used to live in an apartment in my old house, and there's this girl named Daniela. Come on! I'm not spelling David. There's actually someone named David in my class. Stop! Just press that already. I'll just say that. Angela. Time to replay. Nickname already exists. It's going to have to be this. Money. Head. Money head. Please be it. Please let me do it. Yes! What? That's actually my nickname. My nickname is Moneyhead. What am I? Well, of course. Already lost. That's a perfect place for a box. Who would expect the box to be there? Do I have to find people? How do you do this? This is weird. This is 2 minutes left. This is actually a weird game. Oh, I think this is where the the secrets come out. No one at all. No one at all. How can that be a person's name? No one at all. Come here. Ah! He moved. But how did he get up there? He's right here. Right here. Oh my goodness. Is this what? How do you play this game? Is this where hide is? You can actually hide in this. Yeah, so this is where the secrets start. Play this game. Team hide. I'm getting tired of these. Sorry about the silence. Because I was just waiting for me to join this serial game. Duh. At least I can play now. What? Oh. It's right there. I'm gonna move it here now. That's gonna be there for the rest of my videos. Actually, it's gonna have to be. How do you play? Jesus. I'm not even playing. Have to wait. There's a guy literally right here. How do you play this silly game? Okay, next time when the round is over, I'm gonna press that and press join game. Choose. I might just roll. I'm gonna choose it. Well, the Roblox one is so much better, but only it crashes. So dark. This place is so dark. This is gonna be looking terrible on YouTube. I'm so sorry. Gonna be looking terrible on YouTube. The face cam. Sorry guys. There's just this. No. This guy. Oh! Did you see that? The secret lost. This. I'm actually gonna look after this guy. There's so many people around this guy that don't even know where he is. Just find the next guy. Quickly join game. I pressed join game. What am I? I'm this. Hopefully no one finds me. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. See if anyone finds me. I finally got to play. Just waiting. Don't spot me. No. No. You don't suspect the couch. No! Oh, I got found. No, get that nonsense out of here. Okay, guys, when I'm playing hide and seek or hide EO, I'm just gonna be. What do I do? How do you be a high seeker? No one at all is in this room. This guy. But why did you? I got found so quickly. Take this off, guys. Take this off. Just sorry. Just take this off. I just need more. Don't touch. How do you attack the seekers? Oh, you're moving. You're moving. Okay, guys. Actually, should I just admire? I've been on this game since I already missed 2 rounds that I haven't. Again, hide wins. Stop that. Don't waste my game. Where's the restart button? Okay, guys, welcome. I'm sorry my phone broke. I'm sorry I had to wait to get a new one. But But I hope that you're glad that you enjoyed this video. So please welcome back to another video of Hide and Seekio, or I might download another game. And I felt like downloading King Tong instead. You know what, guys? I might play King Tong in the next video. So goodbye. See you. Bye. That makes no sense. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, bye, guys.